Okay, let's look at something super simple. A book just sitting on a shelf. Looks totally still, right? But believe it or not, it's packed with a surprising amount of energy.
So what's the secret? It's called gravitational potential energy. Let's dig in. Put simply, it's energy stored just because of its position, ready and waiting to be used.
And get this, we can actually calculate it with a pretty simple formula. M times G times H. So what do those letters mean? You've got mass, gravity, and height, the three key ingredients. And here's the kicker. The higher you go, the more potential energy you build up. It's huge. Okay, but wait, if the book is just sitting there, where did all this energy even come from? It all comes from the work it took to lift the book against gravity in the first place. Think about it. Your muscles used energy, transferred it to the book, and now it's stored. So gravity doesn't create the energy. It's more like a battery, just storing what you put in. All right, so what happens when we finally let that stored energy go? Give it a little nudge. As that book starts to fall, potential energy flips into kinetic energy, the energy of motion. Then, bam, it hits the floor. That energy doesn't disappear, it just changes into sound and heat. But here's a really cool, kind of tricky part. Height is all about your point of view. Compared to the floor, the book has tons of energy. But compared to a table right under it, not so much. And this isn't just a fun fact about books. This idea is at work everywhere in some really powerful ways. Hydroelectric dams, roller coasters, we use the same exact principle of storing and releasing energy all the time. So even when it's perfectly still, that book is in a constant battle. Gravity down, shelf up. The big takeaway? Stillness can be incredibly powerful. Just height itself is stored energy, waiting to happen.